Do you want to know what happens if you remember the mess before you meet the Shark Navigator? I remember the mess before I met the Shark Navigator. With a busy household full of kids or pets, it seemed like fur ruled the floors. Then I discovered the powerful suction that sweeps up everything, the magic.
Now we've got the Shark Deluxe, the blue one. Let's see if it can handle the flour. No issues there. That's on the second level setting. Let's see if it can handle the oatmeal. Did a good job.
The magic, a lift-away pod for those elusive corners, and of course, absolute maneuverability with swivel steering. It's like the fur never existed. My favorite part, knowing the HEPA filter traps all those allergens, letting me breathe easy. Cleaning became my silent dance, effortlessly gliding through every room. Experience ease and cleanliness like never before. Please check Amazon best reviews on the Shark Navigator in the link below. Good luck.